Once you've enabled a bank feed or uploaded a bank statement, you'll need to explain each bank transaction when it has been imported into FreeAgent. First, navigate to the Banking tab at the top of the screen and select Bank Accounts from the drop-down menu. You can quickly go to a full list of unexplained transactions using the link under the Unexplained heading. Alternatively, select your bank account. If you can't see any red transactions, use the drop-down menu at the top left of the screen to select a specific month or accounting year. Alternatively, you can select the Unexplained tab at the top or use the Total Unexplained Transactions panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Let's take a look at one of the red unexplained transactions. FreeAgent will ask you to enter some details. Select the appropriate type for the transaction using the drop-down menu. You can choose a rate of VAT from the drop-down menu or enter a specific amount manually if required. Next, select a category to allocate the transaction to from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to see the full list. If you need help, follow the link to discover more about how to choose the appropriate category. You have the option to enter a description of the transaction. If you have paperwork that relates to the transaction, such as a receipt, you can attach a scanned copy or a photograph to the transaction by selecting Upload a File or choose from Saved Files. Once you're done, select Explain Transaction. You can now see that your bank transaction has turned green and is explained. When you're explaining a transaction, FreeAgent may prompt you to explain additional unexplained transactions with similar descriptions to the same category. Click the Select All Matching Transactions link to view the details. Use the Explain Transactions panel on the right-hand side to choose the relevant type, VAT rate and category and explain them all in one go. There's also another way to explain transactions in bulk. Tick the box to the left of each transaction you want to explain. After you've selected at least one, you can also tick the box at the top of the column to quickly select all the transactions listed on the page. Use the Explain Transactions panel on the right-hand side to explain multiple transactions to the same category at the same time. And that's how to explain a bank transaction. You can find out more about how to use FreeAgent in our knowledge base.